If your dog could talk, they'd probably tell you to buckle up because these animal facts are a wild ride. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Yep, 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 takes care of the rest of the body. Talk about a lot of love. Here's a fun one. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Sounds like a party I want an invite to. And get this, cows have best friends. When they're separated, they get stressed, moving, right? Ever heard of a mantis shrimp? This tiny creature punches with the speed of a bullet. Underwater boxing champ, anyone? Oh, and sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. 40 whole minutes. Now that's some serious chill. So there you have it. Crazy animal facts that'll make you the star of your next trivia night. Hit that like button for more wild wonders. See you next time.